If you're truly committed to erasing every bit of what makes you unique, just melt into the crowd until you can't even remember who you actually are. Here's the complete step-by-step method. Step 1. Stop questioning anything. Accept opinions exactly as they come, especially the ones dominating social media trends. Original thoughts? Way too dangerous. Someone might disagree, and we can't have that. Safer to just nod along. And the bonus? You'll never have to defend your beliefs if they're not even yours to begin with. Always jump straight to the comments section. Let's be honest, most of you probably already did. You must find out what everyone else thinks about this video before deciding how you feel, right? Heaven forbid you actually listen first. Repost the same memes. Let algorithms think on your behalf. Nothing says I totally have a personality like quoting tweets from strangers you've never met. Curiosity? Highly overrated. Step 2. Treat social approval like it's oxygen. Dress exactly how you're expected to. Laugh at jokes you don't genuinely find funny. Never, ever confess to having unusual interests. That childhood Barbie obsession? Too bizarre. Your secret fascination with otaku culture? Keep that under wraps. Make fitting in your obsession until your entire identity becomes a scrapbook of other people's expectations. I once hid my love for birdwatching because apparently, grown-ups don't do that. I couldn't risk my coworkers thinking I was some nature oddball. Sure, I was miserable, but at least I appeared normal during happy hour. The trick is to mirror whichever personality works best in the current moment. Be a chameleon who blends so seamlessly into every backdrop that you eventually lose sight of your real self. Step 3. Avoid all risks. Fixate on every imperfection. Let the fear of embarrassment control every choice you make until your creativity suffocates completely. That project you've been daydreaming about? Don't even start. That bold career move? Way too risky. Remember, if you never fail, you're successfully maintaining perfect mediocrity. And hey, your tombstone will look flawless. Here lies someone who never rocked the boat, a true NPC success story. And when you reach your deathbed, you'll have the comfort of knowing you never looked foolish, trying something new. Step 4. Reject accountability entirely. Blame your parents for your insecurities. Blame the economy for your dead-end job. Blame astrology for your bad relationships. Blame anything except yourself. Because if the fault always lies with someone else, you never have to change. You can stay stuck, stay small, stay forgettable. For the next 24 hours, try catching yourself every time you complain. Swap it for one tiny action that moves towards solving the problem. Bet you can't. It's far easier to post online about how unfair life is than to actually do something about it. Victimhood is the perfect shield against growth. And there it is. The ultimate manual for becoming a background character in your own story. But if some part of you feels irritated reading this, good. That irritation means you're still alive somewhere in there.